Hello YouTube, this is 20 Eagle Scout 13. Um, I'm going to be doing a knife review on the Swiss card with my Dashin. Um, okay, first off, we have, um, there's a lot of different things on here. I carried this in my backpack, in my, back pocket when I was camping and stuff, and it works extremely well. Um, um, Basically, what you have is a small fixed blade uh, put into um, technically a folding kind of thing. So you have your blade that's encased in this red plastic. Um, it is very sharp, very sharp, like all victorinox things. Um, uh, that's the knife. You have a working pin. I'll show you the pin. See, there's nothing on there. See, there's nothing on there. Nothing on there. Now there's stuff on there. You see it? You may not be able to see it from there, but yeah. There's stuff on there. There we go. You can see it. You can see it now. There's stuff on there now. You don't believe me? You see that circle right there? I'll write my dog's name inside. Rosie. That's my dog's name. So the pen actually works. I have used it one time. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a centimeter ruler right here and an inch ruler on the back side. It has a magnifying glass. Um, uh, Next thing we have is it's supposed to be a push pin right there. That empty spot right there. It's supposed to have a push pin, but I lost it fooling around with it one day, so I'm gonna have to get one of those. Um, it also comes with a pair of tweezers. I've used these to get ticks off, get splinters out, all sorts of things. It comes in handy. It also has scissors, the famous victorinox scissors. Um, uh, it has a thing where you can slide it out. It has a big, big, and small Phillips head, and then a big and small flathead. And that just slides right back in there. And you got an LED light, a red LED light. You have a red LED light. All fit in this thing. It has I think it said 13 tools. Yeah, 13. It has 13. I like it. There's nothing I would improve on it. It's extremely light, and I could probably take this into a not like a high security building, but probably any Walmart, or I could probably take this into a government building and just have it in my back pocket and nobody would notice it. If I put my wallet back there too, nobody would notice it. It is thin enough where it can fit in your wallet. Actually, that just gave me an idea. So I'm not gonna do that yet. So there's nothing I would change on it. It is a very good knife. Um, there's nothing I can say more about it. Um, Once again, this was 20 Eagle Scout 13, and please subscribe.